Hi folks, this is page 110, number 9. So in this question here, they give us this function, and in the first case they want to know when the slope is equal to negative 12 and when it's equal to negative 15. Okay, so we know that the slope of the tangent is given by the derivative of this function, so let's start by finding the derivative. So y prime is equal to negative 3x squared plus 6 times 2x, so 12x. Okay, and we want to know when this slope is equal to first negative 12. Okay, so I just replace my slope of the tangent here, my derivative, by negative 12, and I get equals negative 3x squared plus 12x. And here I notice that I've got a quadratic equation, so I may have up to two answers. Okay, so bring everything to one side. So 3x squared minus 12x minus 12 equals 0. Let's factor out the 3, make things a little easier. So here we get x squared minus 4x minus 4. Okay. And I realize here that I won't be able to factor this easily, so I'll have to use a quadratic formula. So let's solve for the zeros of what's in the bracket, since we know 3 can't be equal to 0. So x is equal to negative b, so 4 plus or minus square root of b squared, which is 16, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is negative 4, all over 2 times 1, so 2. So now let's simplify this here. So we got 4 plus or minus. So here, what do we have? We have 16 plus another 16, so 32. Okay, over 2. Okay, and here we might as well keep going a little further and simplifying this. So here, 32 is 16 times 2. So I've got 4 plus or minus. So if I take the square root of 16, that's just equal to 4. Okay, times, and I'm just left with root 2 over 2. And now here I can simplify. 4 over 2 is 2, plus or minus again. 4 over 2 is 2. So 2 plus or minus root 2. Okay, so here nothing more than just finding the derivative and replacing the derivative by the given value here. Okay, so now we're just going to do the exact same thing with the negative 15. So we need negative 15 to be equal to negative 3x squared plus 12x. So again, bring everything to one side. Minus 12x minus 15. Okay, again, we can factor out a 3, make our lives a little easier. So here, x squared minus 4x minus 5. Okay, and this does look factorable. So this would be x minus 5x plus 1. And so here we see that x is going to be equal to 5, or x is going to be equal to negative 1. And since they were just looking for the x values where these slopes occur, we're done with these answers. Okay, that's it for this.